We are going to use a D2L as a primary means of communications. So it's a very important that students should configure D2L as a required. So let me explain what is the requirements of a D2L configuration. First, students are required to subscribe the discussion forums of the D2L as follows. So I have created three forums, then announcement and questions, and then lecture video, and then student video presentation. So first two you are required to subscribe, but third one, student video presentation, it is optional, but you are encouraged to subscribe. The reason some students do not want to subscribe is as a student completes their assignments, they post something on the video presentation, so they don't want to get bothered too much out of that. But by looking at how other students are doing in the class, that may be beneficial. So you are encouraged anyway to subscribe. But first two, you are required. So what I mean by that is in D2L, so we have a direct link to D2L learn.uco.edu as we sign in. So we have, you will find on your account this course object-oriented software design and construction. So there I have created three discussion forums. First two are required and the third one is optional. So as I choose lecture videos forum, under the title, you will see subscribe with a star. If a star is not filled in, meaning that you are not subscribed to this forum. So click the subscribe link and choose send me an instant notification. And then the star becomes filled in, and then the word says subscribed. So that is the requirement. By doing so, what happens is that as I post a new message, all the students will be notified instantly. And as a student posts something on this forum, I will be notified as well as all the other students will be notified. So that is our primary means of communication. And then the way you want to receive a notification, you can configure it on your profile. So in this profile, there is a notifications menu, and then you can choose to receive how you want to receive that. So either email or text message by phone or both. So I'm going to receive a notification by my UCO email. So you can set any email to receive notification, and use the email you can receive instantly, like on your cell phone you can get a notification as soon as you receive an email, something like that. So that is the best option to choose that. Or you can choose to receive a text message there. Also, you can choose to sign up for notification by category. So discussion forums, that's required, but others are optional. But some of the notifications you may want to receive is grays. As grays are released, you may get instant notification and the like. But you can choose to receive what other notifications you want to receive. So you need to subscribe for all discussion forums, announcement and question, and lecture videos. But students video forum is optional. So in students video forum, actually, you are going to post your video demo at each exercise, and then as soon as someone posts, you will be notified. And then we have a large class size. Then you may end up receiving several tens of notifications and so on. And in the past, some students told me that that's too much and the like. But as you receive notification, you can check how others are doing and the like. So students' video presentations, it's optional though, but you are encouraged. But first two, you are required. So announcement and the question, that's the primary means of asking questions to me. So if you have a question, just start a new thread and give some text. What Java version do we use, or something like that. So, and then ask question, do we use Java 12 or 11 and the like, and then just post it. As soon as you post, if you are subscribed to the forum, you will be receiving notifications. So this is required. So I will be receiving any notifications from any posting from you. So post your questions. That's a requirement. Do not send them an email for questions unless that's confidential or some private matters. So post the questions here and subscribe discussion forum. That's the primary means of our communication. So here it explains by doing so, by subscribing discussion forums, the instructor assumes that every student is instantly notified as a message is posted on D2L discussion forum. And then you have no excuse that I did not know that something like that is not acceptable excuse. So be sure to subscribe. And the student should post their questions on D2L. Do not email me again. I emphasize that. Instructor is also instantly notified as the students post the messages. So students are discouraged to email unless the question is confidential or private manner. The instructor will respond to the questions posted on D2L on the highest priority. So that's how we are going to use D2L for our primary means of communication.